Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Armitron digital watch. Today we have the model with the 4 buttons. Now as you can see here on the top left side we have the reset button. Now we need to press and hold this button until we hear a small beep. So let's do that. Press and hold. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that you are going to notice is that the seconds are flickering. Now if you press the start button, it is going to reset them to 0. If I press the mode button, we are going to see that we can set the hours. This is going to have the 24 hours, so the military time displayed. As you can see, we have 13, so 1 p.m. I can press the start button one by one in order to adjust them. I can only go forward, unlike Casio G-Shock watches where you can also go backwards. But something really cool is that you can press and hold the start button in order to speed scroll. This is very useful, especially when setting the year. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now I can adjust the minutes. Once again, I can go one by one, or I can press and hold in order to speed scroll. I'm going to make it 45. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now we can adjust the year. And here is something really important. Since you can only go forward, let's say my year is 2025 and by mistake I go to 2026, I need to go past 2099 in order to arrive once again at 2000 in order to arrive once again at 2025. So this is where the speed scroll function is very useful. So press and hold the start button in order to speed scroll. We are going to go past 2099 and you are going to see that we are going to arrive at 2000. So 2099, press it once, and now we arrive at 2000. Now I want to make it 2025, so I'm going to go very close to that and then go one by one in order to make sure that I'm not going to make any mistake. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here we can adjust the month. Now if I press one by one, it is going to adjust slowly. You can also use the press and hold in order to speed scroll. Now I'm going to make it January. I'm going to press it once again, and now I can set the date. So I'm going to make it the 1st of January. Once again, you can use the speed scroll function. As you can see, we are on the 1st of January 2025. If I press the mode button once again, we are going to arrive once again at setting the time. So we can start all over again, and in case you made a mistake, you can, let's say, change the hour, the minute, or something when it comes to the date. In case everything is correct, you are going to press the reset button, and now we are done. We have correctly set the time and date. As you can see, we have 1347, the first, and also the day of the week, which is Wednesday. In order to display the date, we are going to press and hold the start button, and it is going to show us the 1st of January 2025. When I release the start button, it is going to display the current time, and once again, the 1st of January, so the 1st of the month, and then it is also going to show you the day of the week, Wednesday. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if this was useful, if you managed to set the time and date, what model you had. In case you want to see a different tutorial on this particular model, such as changing the watch battery, such as the chronograph, the alarm, and so on, let me know in the comment section below, guys. I'm also going to make a full guide on all the functions and features of this particular model, and I will link it in the description box below. Once again, guys, like the video if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. Leave a comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel because it helps a lot, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.